Kids will work on their blades. They design the blades. You can change again, change the pitch, hook them up inside the tunnel. Go to collect data, erase. And we can now go through, and it looks like I'm wobbling just a little bit. There's a lot of things, again, as you study energy with your students, a lot of things you can do. Again, run it for a minute, get your data, record that data. Now change your pitch, run it for a minute again, see what happens. Change from 3 blades to 4 blades. Change material. There's so many variables you can test. You get students started doing it. I think for students to take a test, you and I both know, when do you start learning it? When you teach it. So when students have a chance to go out in the community and talk about what they're doing, when their work is featured not just on a test, but in newspaper articles, things like that, it's fun. Again, getting into the economics. Students didn't realize how much math they were going to do in environmental science. It's been fun. And I look at the potential in Kansas. Right now it's only 4%. But when you look at it, I took this picture in May when we were up at Post Rock Wind Farm. Imagine being able to drive a vehicle powered by wind. And that's literally what we can do today. These hubs are a quick release hub. Multiple holes in the side. If I were doing a longer workshop, I'd have you build the blades so that you were doing all of that today. So on account of time, I brought blades along. So you can loosen the hubs, put them in there, tighten them up. The yellow is a pitch protractor. So if you want to see what the pitch of your blades is, this will hook on over the side. And now there's a protractor. Those of you that teach math, here's your lines. You can do 10 degrees, 20 degrees, what you're seeing. A non-geared generator, simple voltmeter. When you do this, go ahead and record your numbers, what you got for your results. And then if you want to come up here and work with the Vernier software, we'll run it up here. Pay your utility bill. What unit of energy are you paying for? What's a kilowatt hour? Okay, a kilowatt, 1,000 watts. So up here there are 10 100-watt light bulbs. So 1,000 watts. Those electrons again are lighting up those bulbs. We talk about energy conversion. We're now converting electricity into 2 different forms of energy. Light energy, and if you were setting closer, heat energy. One of the neat devices, a comparameter. You come up here and take a look. Here's the old-fashioned light bulb, and you can look at how fast the disk is turning in the meter, and then change to the new energy efficient bulbs and watch what happens to the disk.